Hi, my name is Boo.
Hi, my name is Ooh.
I am really bored, Ooh.
What do you want me to? What do you want me to do?
I don't know, entertain me or something.
I heard people that they do things to be cool.
Like, what kind of things to be cool?
I don't know. It starts with the letter S.
What starts with the letter S?
It's really bad when people do it to be cool.
Is it sex?
Yeah, that's the word. What's that mean?
That means you're not supposed to have it when you are not married. Only married people could have sex.
Oh, Joel got to have sex.
He is really bad, that's why. You're not allowed to have sex yet, Boo.
Okay, I learned my lesson.
Good job. I hope you never have sex.
Okay, never have sex.
Okay, bye.